Stop what you're doing. This is critical information about the LA wildfires. Unprecedented destruction. Over 23,700 acres burned by the Palisades fire, with 420 homes lost and 8 lives claimed. Multiple fires are raging, including the Eaton fire, which has taken 16 more lives and scorched 14,100 acres. Over 100,000 residents have been evacuated from areas like Encino and Altadena. Severe infrastructure damage is costing an estimated $50 billion, causing power outages and water contamination. Record-breaking winds of up to 65 miles per hour are fueling these infernos, threatening neighborhoods like Brentwood and the San Fernando Valley. Air quality is hazardous, posing severe health risks. Fire tornadoes, yes, fire tornadoes have been spotted, adding to the chaos. Governor Gavin Newsom warns that this could be the worst natural disaster in U.S. history. Thousands are displaced with immense emotional and financial tolls. Despite firefighting efforts, the fires remain uncontained, and the threat of looting and misinformation looms large. Stay informed, stay safe, and be prepared.